Now, our main topic is called as prism. You might have seen prism in your class or your laboratory. So this is a one kind of prism. Prism means the hollow surface. It is actually hollow. It's sometimes made up of glass. We feel the different substances. Sometimes we feel kerosene. Sometimes we feel like glass. Sometimes we feel water. So what is the use of prism? To find the refractive index of kerosene, find the refractive index of glass and the material which is inside. यहाँ जो भी material डालेंगे हम उसका refractive index find out करने के लिए prism का use होता है. So my question is kerosene, glass, water, these are the materials. These are the materials whose refractive index is to be find out. This is like this and ये देखो. So refractive index is to be find out. Then when glass is inside this prism, then it is called as glass prism. When we fill the water, we call as water prism and all. But prism is a hollow device. Remember this. Now we generally fill the glass. Now let's see some important concept related to prism. This is the prism cross section. Now light is entering like this. Suppose this is I. Light goes like this. It is called as angle of emergence. Now suppose this is angle A. So this angle is 90 degree and suppose this is R1 and this is R2. So what you can say, this angle would be 90 minus R1 and this angle is 90 minus, okay, 90 minus R2. So now from the triangle you can say sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus 90 minus R2 plus 90 minus R1 equal to 180. So 180 would get cancelled. So R1 plus R2 equal to A. It is very important formula actually. Just remember the sum of this angle equal to A. Now if you consider or extend this triangle, or let me draw another triangle so that you can understand very carefully. Now pay attention. This is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of emergence. Now this angle is R1, you know that, and this angle is called as R2. So now this angle is I minus R1 and this angle is E minus R1 and this angle is called as A. By apply same principle, sum of all angle of triangle. Let's see what happened. Now if you do the sum, result would be A plus this angle is I minus R1, this is one angle, plus E minus R2, this is R2, okay, equal to 180. Now if you apply this, you will get the concept like R1 and R2 get added, E1 and E2. But from this concept, if you put the value of A, so what you can conclude is, if you put the value of A over here, so R1 plus R2, it cancels out. To make the importance of this formula, we do some adjustment like this. Suppose light is going like this. Now it is bending. Yes, this is bending. So delta is a exterior angle. So delta is equal to sum of I minus R1 plus E minus R2. Okay. So do the calculation. So from this you can say R1 plus R2, it is called as A. So I plus E, R1 plus R2. So what would be the answer? See this, delta equal to I plus E minus A. So it is the important derivation. Remember this. What is the formula for deviation? Deviation is equal to I plus E minus A. It is also important. There are two formulas. Let me enlist them. R1 plus R2 equal to A and second formula is very important, delta equal to I plus E minus A. It is the important formula. Okay, just remember this formula for the prism. We will be solving the numerical based on this formula. Okay.